Like,
practice it so that it is on your tip. Fine. Nikhil, atomic mass of sodium?
Ma'am, 26 or something like that.
23. 27 is for aluminum.
Ma'am, I couldn't hear
23.
you.
23.
23.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Mithun, very quickly, tell me the molecular mass of sodium oxide. Molecular mass of sodium oxide, all of you, quickly. In 10 seconds.
sodium oxide.
Ma'am, 48.
Okay. Nikhil's answer is 48. Quickly, bachcho, 10 seconds.
Sodium.
No, ma'am, it's 49.
Okay. Nikhil's answer is 49. Fine. Mithun, answer, bachche. This is just a practice, okay? So, like, just to help you people understand and revise it properly. Yes.
Ma'am, the mass of sodium is
Sorry, ma'am. Final answer. Sorry, ma'am. It's
No
39.
worries.
39.
39.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay.
Sorry.
See, no worries. Nikhil, it's fine. See, the approach, learn the approach to the question. Okay. Whenever I've written a molecular mass, okay, I've written a molecular mass. That means first I should know the molecule. First, I should know the chemical composition of the molecule, right? And how do we know that? We need to know the chemical formula of the molecule. How do we know that? We need to know the chemical formula of the molecule. What is the chemical formula here? NaO2, right? NaO2.
NaO.
NaO.
NaO2,
Acha.
ma'am, NaO2.
Yeah, ma'am. NaO. It's NaO,
NaO2.
right?
Excellent. NaO. What is the method to know the chemical formula? I don't know the answer. You people will tell me. So I will write sodium and oxygen here.
Add.
We don't have to add. Sodium and oxygen, okay? Sodium and oxygen, the symbols, this is the first step. The second step is Amar, write the valency. Sodium is +1, oxygen is -2. Crisscross them. What do I get? Do I get Na2O? Na2O? Yes, but to respond.
No, ma'am.
May you call me?
Yes. I call you to know the valency for sodium. I wrote it. No worries.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Mithun, the formula, what does it come out to be?
Ma'am, it's
Na2O.
Na2O.
Okay, Na2O. Now, on that basis, you can very easily calculate the molecular mass. So, based on that, 2 into 23U, yes, plus 1 into 16U. Yeah, what's the calculation? 46U plus
62.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very quickly, the molecular mass for calcium oxide in 10 minutes now. I'm sorry, in 10 seconds. Calcium oxide, all of you. Calcium oxide. Just follow this approach. Please listen to this and follow this approach. You people are not very well practiced that you would remember the correct formula. So first know the formula, calculate the formula, then calculate the molecular mass.
Ma'am, I forgot the formula of AP element.
That's what I'm saying. Find it out.
Not the formula,
First find
like
the
mass.
symbol.
The mass.
Acha, the mass 40. Calcium is 40. Oxygen I've already told you. Atomic mass of calcium is 40. If there are how many atoms that you will know?
56.
Okay. Nikhil's answer is 56. 56.
Ma'am, calcium is 40, right?
Yes.
56.
56. Fine. Good. Now,
No.
Mithun?
Wait. It's 96.
It's 96. Let's see. Okay, what did I say? Calcium? Oxide. Okay, oxide. So I have to have calcium. I have to have oxygen, right? +2, -2. What do we get? We get CaO. Why? Because both of them cancel each other, right? We get CO. Now 1 into 40U plus 1 into 16U. What do I get, bache? Huh.
56.
Ma'am, 56.
Where is it? Where are you getting 2 calcium atoms? Huh?
Ma'am, I
No
thought it
worries.
was
This is just the
2.
practice. No
Currently
worries.
it was
See,
2.
practice the chemical formula first. Molecular mass, to calculate molecular mass is really easy. Fine. Now quickly. Sodium nitrate. Molecular mass of sodium nitrate. All of you. Sodium nitrate. Sulaiman Bacha, are you there in the class?
Ma'am, what you asking what molecular mass of hydrogenate?
Sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrate.
85.
Okay. Lokya's answer is 85. We'll see. Actually, the point is this chapter becomes really easy for you guys if you are not having this thing.
Concepts.
Ma'am, 85.
Concept. Okay, 85. Mole concept in this chapter. Although it's a very unfortunate thing that you people are not having mole concept in this chapter, it's the main thing. For chemistry, mole concept is the main thing. So we'll practice this only. Else we would be practicing the mole concept here. Okay. Amar, Mithun, answer बच्चों. Bethel, answer. Suleiman is there in the class? Yes. हाँ बच्चों. So sodium nitrate. First tell me how many elements are there
3.
in the
2.
3. Name them. 2. Okay. Name them. Name them. Who
Ma'am,
said 2?
sodium
Ma'am, sorry,
and
2, ma'am. 2, ma'am. 2, ma'am. 2, ma'am.
हाँ 2. Fine. See. All of you need practice. See. I said sodium nitrate. So sodium nitrate being a polyatomic ion with the charge of 1. Plus 1, minus 1. Okay. I crisscross this. I get the chemical formula as NaNO3. This is my chemical formula. Now I asked you how many elements. I did not ask you how many ions. Okay. Element, sodium is 1, nitrogen is another, oxygen is another, right? So how do I know the mass? This into 1, okay, plus this into 1, plus this into 3. Yes. So now the atomic mass of sodium is 40U into 1 plus nitrogen's atomic mass. Very quickly. 14. Very good. Excellent. 14U into 1 plus 32 into 3 plus 32 into 3.
16.
Nikhil,
Ma'am,
Mithun?
32 into 3. It's 16 into 3, right?
Okay.
Ma'am, 16 into 3,
Then
right?
fine. It is 16 into 3. Okay. Whatever you get as the answer, so 40U plus 14U plus 48U, calculate and know the answer. Simple. Okay. Okay, bachcho. Done.
Yeah, ma'am.
Suleiman, you were asking something, bachche.
Ma'am, 1 or 2.
Just a second, Mithun. Suleiman?
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Hello. What were you asking, bachche?
Ma'am, I was saying one atomic mass of sodium is 23.
Yes, it is 23. I have written 40. Right. That's the wrong thing. 23U, 23U. Calculated. Thank you. Yes. Mithun, what were you saying?
Ma'am,
Yes. Please say.
I was saying 1 or 3.
Huh?
I was saying 1 or 3. I mean 1 or 2.
Okay, you are telling the answer. Just calculate that. That's a simple this thing. Calculation, not going into that. Now the next question. Okay.
Ma'am, got them.
Oh, good.
Ma'am, 85,
Next
ma'am.
question. Just calculate it. I'm not going with calculation. Next one. Ammonium sulfate. Calculate the molecular mass of ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate.
I'm 17.
Ma'am,
Oh, wait.
132. 132.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you say the element again?
Element.
I
Iron.
mean the, I mean the,
Ammonium
yeah.
sulfate. Ions participating in this. Ammonium sulfate. Done, bachcho?
49, ma'am.
Acha, just tell me what's the formula that you are getting.
Yes,
What's the
ma'am.
molecular
Yes.
formula?
What, ma'am?
What is the molecular formula that you are getting for ammonium sulfate?
Um,
Ma'am, that
See,
is
look here. All of you look
S.
here. Look here, look here, look here. Ammonium is this with the charge of +1. Sulfate is this with the charge of -2. Okay. I crisscross them. I get ammonium sulfate, something like this. This is the formula that that I will be getting. You can simply
Okay.
calculate the mass based on that. How many different elements are here? How many different elements are there?
4.
Ma'am,
Nitrogen, hydrogen, sulfur, and
oxygen.
oxygen. Okay. Now this is simple. The next question I want to know is for aluminium chloride. Aluminium chloride. First, tell me the correct formula and then tell me the answer, the molecular mass. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes.
Actually, leave aluminium. You people do not have aluminium in the given NCRT table. So we cannot really take aluminium here, although it is 27. Fine. The next thing is magnesium chloride. The formula, the molecular mass for magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. What happened, Amar? All good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am, there was like very few battery and the laptop, so
Okay.
it was
Ma'am,
never
119.
lugging.
1-1.
Ma'am,
Okay. Huh.
uh, is
Who
it
is it?
Ma'am, I said
59?
119.
Achha, the 119. 90.
Hi.
5. But you tell me the
Ma'am, is
units
it
also.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 59 unit?
Ma'am, I got 95.
Okay. Nikhil, bache, turn the camera on. See, let's see this. Very simple. We all will calculate together. What's the formula now? Mithun, what's the formula that you're getting for magnesium chloride? I want to know that.
Mg, like Mg, the value, like the valency is 1. The chloride is 2.
Uh-huh. The correct is this. Mg is +2, chloride ion being -1. We get MgCl2. Okay. Now on that basis, if you calculate what's the atomic mass for magnesium, 24, right? 24U into 1 plus 35.5 into 2.
34.5.
Yes.
71 plus 24. 95.
94. No. 71, right? Sorry.
71 plus.
95. Fine.
Sorry, ma'am, I thought
Nikhil.
it was MgCl. Like, I thought the valency of magnesium was 1.
No worries. Just through this, you are supposed to learn the valencies by the practice. Okay, that is the only purpose of solving these many questions. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
fine. The last here. Just a second. I have to check what all elements are given for the mass. Magnesium sulfate. Molecular mass for magnesium sulfate.
Ma'am, what ma'am?
Magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
He says.
Suleiman, are you getting this, bache? Any problem, please ask.
120.
120 is the answer. 120 what
Ma'am,
grams? Huh.
Unit.
Acha. You will not say unit, that is U representing unified mass. Yes, Suleiman.
ma'am, you were asking something.
Yes, I'm asking, are you understanding all of this? Any problem?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, our chemistry teacher is going to about going this is going to touch this part.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's 120. It's 120.
Okay.
So I can understand.
First time the majority is there for
Yes,
120,
ma'am.
for one answer.
120.
Okay. Excellent.
Yes,
Sorry.
ma'am. 120, I think.
Oh, okay. Mithun, only your yes or no is left. 120?
Ma'am, I got 56.
What's the formula that you are getting, Mithun?
Ma'am, like magnesium is one.
Huh. Just tell me the formula that you are getting.
Oh wait, ma'am.
Leave the valency. Huh. Bethel, what's the formula that you got?
Ma'am, 120, ma'am.
Acha, finally.
Ma'am,
Now I want to know what
120.
formula I
I
asked.
forgot to
Bethel.
multiply it with
Huh. What's the formula that you got earlier, Mithun?
MgSO3.
MG?
SO3.
Like this. And what's the correct formula here? What is the correct formula, bachcho?
MgSO. MgSO4.
SO?
4.
Acha, 4. Mithun, is this correct? Nikhil, is this correct?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, SO3 means sulfide, right?
SO3
Sulfide or
minus 2.
sulfite?
Ite.
Okay, ma'am.
Sulfide is S minus 2. Okay, just sulfur part. Fine. That's it. Any confusion here? Any further confusion here? Please let me know.
No, ma'am.
Fine. Now the valencies would be correct. The atomic mass would be correct. Huh? Fine. Now quickly tell me, Mithun, what's the charge? What's the valency for nitride? Nitride. Is it there in the NCERT? Yes, it should be. Yes, it is there. Nitride. Huh. Now on that basis, listen, you can calculate the molecular mass for sodium nitride. Calculate it. Sodium nitride. IDE, I'm saying nitride. Okay. Nitride.
Ma'am, the charge is 2, right?
See, we'll discuss it later. Try it from your side, whatever you are able to, then we'll discuss it.
Ma'am, sodium is 23, right?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we should find it or write the formula.
Write the formula and based on that, you will calculate the molecular mass for that.
Ma'am, we are asking for the charge, right?
I told, tell the charge and based on that, you will know the formula, right? Sodium nitride. Okay.
Okay.
Sodium and nitride.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Mr. Farazuddin, we are just practicing some questions here based on the third chapter. That's it.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
83.
83.
Ma'am, I completed
Yes.
my science exam.
Huh?
I have completed my science exam.
Okay, how did it go?
I got full marks in chemistry.
Excellent. Keep it up. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fine. were the questions based on the discussions that we had in the class?
Ma'am, I got it.
Yes, Mithun,
Ma'am,
Minus
answer.
82.
I also got
82, huh? Mithun?
but I got directly got the charge, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Like I got -1.
ma'am, I got 83.
83.
83. Who was this with
83.
82? Who said 82, Vache? No worries.
Ma'am, me.
No worries. Let's see. Even I make calculation mistake, that's fine. See. So what is the formula that we are getting? Our main purpose is that if we are able to get the correct formula, it is very easy to calculate the molecular mass or the formula unit mass. Okay. And please, these are all formula unit mass. We are taking the
NaNO3, ma'am.
NaNO3. Okay. So is this formula correct?
Ma'am,
Mithun?
nitrate, right? Ma'am, nitrate or nitrite?
Yeah, ma'am.
Nitride. IDE, I've written it here. I wrote it. See. Bethel, what's the formula that you got?
Na3N.
Na3N. Excellent. That is the correct one. Na3N. Why? Because sodium +1, nitride -3, we get Na3N. Excellent. Now, based on that, 23U into how much? 3 plus
3, ma'am.
14U into 1. You will get the answer. Fine. Yes, Suleiman Bache. Go ahead.
Ma'am, nitrate symbol NO3, right?
Yeah, that is nitrate. I'm talking about nitride here.
Okay, ma'am.
Nitride is N3 minus. Nitrate is NO3 minus. Nitrite is NO2 minus. Okay. Be very clear with these formula, with these charges and symbols. Okay. Fine. Nikhil, the atomic mass of calcium is
40, ma'am.
40 grams kg.
No, 40U. 40U.
Okay, 40. Which was the first standard reference? I mean, what mass was taken as the first standard unit?
Oxygen, ma'am.
No, that was the full carbon atom taken as the standard
Ma'am, 1
reference
by 12
unit.
of the carbon 12 atom.
No, that is the latest one. But see, the first one was taken as the full carbon 12 atom, right? And what was the problem in
Yes,
that?
ma'am.
What was the problem? Why was that discontinued? I want to know that.
Like
Quickly.
we can't like refer like
We were
we
not
can't.
getting the values. We were not getting the values in whole numbers or near to whole numbers.
Yeah, that's what I was
That was
saying.
the reason it. Yes, good. That is why it was discontinued. Then what was the second standard reference point taken? 1/16th of the naturally occurring oxygen. The
Yes,
mass of
ma'am.
1/16th of the naturally occurring oxygen. And what was the final one that was taken? The current one?
1 by
Carbon
12.
12, 1 by 12 of carbon 12 atom.
Correct. And that is 1 AMU or 1 U, right? 1/12, the
1
mass of 1/12 of carbon 12 atom is 1 U. Which body has decided that? Which body has finalized that?
carbon 12.
IUPAC. Okay.
Oh, you are asking about that.
What year was it taken in? What year was it taken in? What year was carbon 12, 1/12 of carbon 12 atom was taken as the standard unit? 1961. Okay. Be clear with these objective type questions. Fine. Now come here. Question 1, I think you people know, but you can go through that very quickly, please. Which postulate of Dalton's atomic theory justifies the law of definite proportion?
The law of conservation of mass, right?
Law of definite proportion. Mithun. What is law of definite proportion? Nikhil, what is law of definite proportion?
Ma'am, like when we combine like two elements, we always get the same product and the properties.
Like we get in the same ratio.
Yeah.
See, yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
When two or more than two elements are combined to form a compound, they are always present in a fixed ratio proportion, constant ratio proportion, definite ratio proportion, okay, to give us the compound. In a compound, the elements will always be in a fixed ratio proportion. And whatever the source is, whatever the source of the elements is, whatever the source of the compound is, we will always have that same ratio of the elements. Yes? Fine. Now tell me, Bacho, what postulate follows this one, justifies this law of definite proportions? Last one, fifth and sixth postulate. You will go through that. Fine. Define atomic mass. Leave that. What is Acha, define atomic mass. Bethel will define atomic mass.
The mass of
Sulman, you have raised your hand, but I'm asking you what's the problem. Please tell.
Ma'am, I was going to say about law of constant proportion.
Okay. Fine. Yes, Bethel. What is atomic mass unit? What is atomic mass unit?
Uh,
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, please go ahead. Just a second, Bethel. No worries. Yes,
Ma'am,
Amar,
the
go ahead.
unit of atomic mass is AMU.
This is
Also
what is
known as
apple? A red colored fruit is an
ma'am,
apple.
the mass of
Uh,
one atom. Like
the See, Amar, you told the correct answer. But you have to properly explain it. The mass, the unit of the atomic mass, okay, is the atomic mass unit, and which is taken as 1/12 the mass of carbon 12 atom. Okay, which is taken as 1/12 the carbon 12 atom. 1/12 the mass of
ma'am, I
carbon
have
12
some
atom.
doubts in
Okay,
this atomic mass.
fine.
Yeah.
Yes, no worries. I will explain. Now, what is meant by saying atomic mass of oxygen is 16? Look here.
16.
Quickly, bachcho, quickly. Answer quickly.
What is meant by atomic mass of
हाँ
16?
quickly. Amar, you might have problem in this. No worries, we will discuss this in your extra class. Look
Yes, ma'am.
answer. You might have problem in this. We'll discuss this in your next class.
Yes,
In your extra
Yes,
class.
ma'am.
Look
Thank you.
answer. The atomic mass of oxygen is 16. What do we mean by this? Atomic mass of oxygen is 16 means that the mass of oxygen atom is 16 times the 1/12 mass of carbon 12 atom. Because that 1/12 the mass of carbon 12 atom has been taken as 1 U. Now the atomic mass of oxygen is coming as 16 U. That means it is 16 times the 1/12 the mass of carbon 12 atom. Fine. Sodium sulfate, I think we have already done this. Potassium nitrate, potassium nitrate formula. Quickly, bachcho, quickly. Potassium nitrite. I have already told you nitrite, nitrite, all of that. Without looking in the book, tell me the formula. Potassium nitrite.
Ma'am,
KNO3. KNO3. KNO3.
What is nitrite?
K3N.
N3 minus. So it is K3N, bachcho. Okay, it is K3N. Good. Now, the relative formula mass, they have given the masses. You can please calculate that. Try calculating for the aluminium, this thing. What is this formula here? Al2SO4 whole right? What will I call this?
Ma'am,
Aluminum sulfate.
Who is saying that? Aluminum sulfate. Excellent. That is aluminum sulfate. Al2SO4 whole thrice. Calculate the molecular mass very quickly. Formula unit mass very quickly.
ma'am, what is the mass of aluminum and
But say they
sulfate?
have written it here. 27 U.
Ma'am, can you zoom it?
Yep. Quickly.
Can you say the question number?
7. 7 part A. Question 7 part A.
342 U.
Okay. 342. Fine. U.
Yeah, ma'am, same. It's
Fine.
342 U only.
Fine. The formula is written. You know the atomic masses for each element. You will just have to multiply the number of atoms for each element, right? And then you will get the molecule. or the following. Question 8. Go through question 8 very quickly. And I want the correct answer from all of you. Question 8.
What, ma'am?
Question 8. Question 8 very quickly, bachcho.
8.
8. Carbon and oxygen react with each other in the ratio 3:1.
I got the answer.
Faraz, no. We have already discussed this with you.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it
ma'am, this
is
is 15.
15.
Okay. Let's see.
15.
15.
Ma'am, I said
15.
15.
1-5.
Okay. Bethel. What is the mass given there? Mass of oxygen is given as 40 grams, right? This is what the question is? Yes. Now we want to know this. What will I do? 3 into 40 divided by 8, something like that. I will get this X value. We get it as 15 kg. 15 U.
Yeah, ma'am. 15 U.
15 U. What's the correct unit here? 15 U or kg?
No, 15 grams.
15 U,
Gram.
15 U.
Grams.
Grams. It's 40 grams, so it's
Yes.
50.
Yes. It was 40 grams. Okay. Fine. Very good. Any confusion here? Any one of you? See, you can, I know, differentiate between atom and molecule. Is there any confusion between atom and molecule? Please let me know that. Then only I'll discuss, otherwise I'll not discuss this.
You revised in last class?
Huh?
You revised in last class?
Yes, I did. In the last class, we discussed all of this. In the last class, we just discussed the chemical
Can you
this thing,
just say it again?
formula.
The difference between atoms and
Atom is
molecules.
one atom. Molecule is a group of atoms. Simple.
Yes,
Atom is
ma'am.
just one single individual atom. Molecule is a group of atom, and molecule could be either of the same atoms combined together, that is of elements, or could be of different atoms combined together in a fixed ratio proportion, that is the molecule of the compound.
Whereas
Right?
elements are group of molecules.
Huh?
Like elements are a group of molecules.
Elements are group of molecules. Molecules is a group of atoms. I'm not able to understand what are you saying by elements are group of molecules.
Like many molecules combine, one or more molecules combine to form element. Group of molecules make.
The basic form in which it is existing is the molecular form. Okay. Either it could be diatomic, triatomic. Based on that, you will have the same molecules of elements in the element. That is what you are saying. Just a second. Are you saying like this? Let's suppose this is one element. This is one molecule of oxygen element, right? An oxygen element will be like this. Are you saying this? O2, 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 O2. This is the element
Yes,
of
ma'am.
oxygen. Okay. So that is the same thing, the repetition of the same unit, same particle, presence of the same particle. Fine. Cation, anion. What is anion? Positively charged. Cation is negatively charged.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No. Cation is positively charged and anion is
Yes.
negatively charged.
Anion being negatively charged, cation being positively charged. Give me one example of anion, Bethel. Chloride ion, a cation, sodium ion, aluminium ion. Fine.
This one. Example of anion C2 and O2.
See?
No, O2.
O2, yes, fine. O2 minus, okay? Not O2 the element, no. O2, that is the element. When you are having a charge on the upper side, that is O2 minus, that is the anion. Okay? Fine. Come to question 13, see if you people can do this. Question 13.
Question 13.
Simple.
I think this is really simple. Try to do this very quickly. What is it based on? Law of conservation of mass. The total mass of the reactants should be equal to the total mass of the product. Quickly solve it, bachcho. A part.
Ma'am,
Yes.
and today we got the science midterm answer sheets.
Science. Okay, midterm answer sheet. How was your performance?
Uh, Good only. Out of
Good.
25, I got 20
Excellent. Well done.
in chemistry.
Excellent. I know. I got it. Got it. Fine. Overall, how was it?
Overall, physics and chemistry I scored, but biology, bad.
Learning part, huh? No worries. You can improve it always.
Okay, ma'am.
What's the answer? Mithun?
Ma'am, 484 point. I don't like really get the value, but
See, good, fine. What is the approach here? What's the approach that we need to follow? My concern is that the total mass of the reactants is 750 grams, right? And that should be the total mass of the product. 265.20 grams plus X. And if I have to find X, can I subtract this 265.20 grams from the total of 750 grams? Yes. I will get the mass of N2+. Part B, the same thing. I will have the total mass as 20 grams. I have got 8.8 grams of carbon dioxide. I want to know the mass of the calcium oxide. I will subtract 8.8 from 20 grams to know the mass of the calcium oxide formed. Okay, that's it. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
All of this has been discussed. Just a second, I wanted to discuss one question.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
you're muted, ma'am.
Sorry. What I'm saying here is that how will you approach this question? How will you solve these questions? It is based on the law of conservation of mass. Okay. Two of the reactants are given, different options. Okay. So copper sulfate and sodium carbonate is one pair. Barium chloride, sodium sulfate. Likewise, we have different pairs. Now these are the reactants. You will first have to know the product, okay, and the total mass of the product should be equal to the total mass of the reactants. Wherever this is being followed, that the total mass is equal, therefore that pair could be the perfect option here, okay, of the reactants. Is this understood? The concept is understood.
Yes,
And if you
ma'am.
people have gone through the NCERT, the
Ma'am,
mass is
ma'am,
given.
can you say it again?
What is the question? Read the question. Read the question once.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is it saying? That we have two reactants X and Y. We have two reactants X and Y. Now they have given different options as to what could be X and Y. We have three pairs here. Yes. X and Y could be different things. Okay. Now, how do you know that which one is the correct one? For each of the following options that we have, let's say copper sulfate and sodium carbonate, we will have the product, right? We will have the product. Based on that, you will calculate the mass. Okay. Based on that, you will calculate the mass. Calculate the mass of the reactants, which is already given in the NCRT. So go through this activity in the NCRT. Okay. And then wherever the mass is equal on both the sides, reactants and the product,
So they will
you will get
be like they will be the
the
product.
total mass. Yep. Go through the first. Have you all gone through this activity in the NCRT?
Yeah, ma'am. Our
No.
teacher showed this exact picture to us.
Okay, but go through this. Okay, I've explained the concept. Go through this. Then last question I want to discuss. Go through question 8 very quickly, just in 2 minutes.
Ma'am, which question?
8. Hmm.
Ma'am, in the textbook. Ma'am.
Here on the screen. On the screen, you have question 8, right? Weight of copper oxide obtained by heating it up.
Oh, you told
So please solve
8.
it.
Okay, okay, okay. Ma'am.
Okay, okay. Do this. Quickly, bacha, quickly. Solve it. Hmm. Done? Amara has left the meeting. But you're done? Done? Lokya, answer. What's the, just leave the answer. Tell me what is the approach that you are following to solve this question?
First I took mass of copper use is 4.32 gram. Then the mass of copper oxide is from 5.40 gram. Then mass of oxygen in oxide is like 5.40 minus 4.32. Then I got 1.08 gram.
Excellent. Huh?
Then I took like Cu equals to like 4.32 like divided by 5.40. Then I got
See, look here. I'm telling you the approach. You will solve it. See. We have the mass of the product, right? We have the mass of the product and mass of one of the reactants. If I find the mass of other reactant, okay, if I find the mass of other reactant by subtracting the mass of this from this, right, I will get the mass of other reactant. So here I have the mass of both the elements which are combining together to form this compound. Now, if I have the the value here, what's the value for copper? 4.4
Ma'am, 4.8.
32, ma'am.
32
4.32.
grams. Okay.
Oh,
Lokia, what's the value for oxygen that you have solved? 1.
1.08.
0.08 grams. Okay, I have got the
Yes.
value for both of them. If I take the ratio for both of them, if I take the ratio of copper to oxygen, okay, in the copper oxide compound, what do I get? So copper to oxygen, okay, I will get some 4:1.
4:1.
Okay, I get this ratio. Now in the second case also, you will calculate, you have the mass of one of the reactants, you will calculate the mass of other reactant, okay, and then you will see the ratio of both the elements. If the ratio comes out to be same, what are we showing? That the ratio is same for the elements in a fixed compound. I mean, the ratio of the elements is same for a particular compound, even though the source of the elements is different. Okay, you will solve for the ratio. You will say that this is in accordance with the law of the constant proportion. Is it clear?
Ma'am,
No.
both give the same composition, right?
Yeah, that is what that is what you need to find. Ultimately, the ratio should be the same in the second case also. That is only when it will be in accordance with the law of constant proportion, right? Whatever source you are taking for the elements, ultimately they will combine in this fixed ratio. Whatever that fixed ratio is, we have calculated that to be 4:1. Are you getting it?
Can you show the whole values again?
Huh?
Can you show the question again?
Yes. So in the second case, you have the total mass as 2.30 grams. You will subtract 1.84 grams. You will get the mass of the oxygen. So 1.84 grams divided by the mass of the oxygen, you will get the ratio. Okay. Bethil
Yes, ma'am.
understood? Mithun understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nikhil understood?
yeah.